Hello student, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to explore one of the most important topics in algebra, solving quadratic equations. So, what are quadratic equations? Quadratic equations are equations that involves a square variable, usually x, that can be written in the form ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. These are the form of quadratic equations where a, b, c are constants. Quadratic equations are used to model all sorts of real-world situations. One way to solve quadratic equations is by factoring. There are actually two methods to solve quadratic equations. But the first method is factoring. How can you solve a problem quadratic equations by factoring? So understand with an example, through an example. So as you can see, x square plus 5x plus c is equals to 0. I write these quadratic equations, and in this quadratic equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, right? Where a is equals to 1, b is equals to 5, and c is equals to 6. Okay, now how can we solve it? Now we need to find two numbers, okay, whose product is the multiplication of a and c, and whose sum is the coefficient of b. Okay, so it can be sum or it can be minus additive. Okay, so as you can see, our first work is we have to find two numbers whose product is the product of a and c. Now a into c is equals to 6, and whose sum or minus is b, means 5. Okay, the value of b, the constant. Okay, so here a into c is equals to 6, so we have to get two number. Now if we factorization 6, we will get 3 into 2. 3 into 2 is equals to 6. Now we get the multiplication of 3 into 2 is equals to 6, and if we add 3 plus 2 we get 5, right? So we can take these two number 3 and 2. Now we have to write in this way: x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6 is equals to 0. We can write 5x in the form of 3x plus 2x, right? So now we can write these equations and these equations in this form: x into x plus 3 plus here 2x plus 6, we common 2, then x plus 3 is equals to 0, right? Now in these equations, x plus 3 and x plus 3 is common. We can take x plus 3 as a common. Then we will get x into 1, that means x, plus 2 into 1, that means 2, is equals to 0. Now we get the values of x is equals to minus 3 and x is equals to minus 2. So we get these two values, and this is the solve of these quadratic equations. I hope you understand how can we solve it.